Page 7, questions and answers. Let's look this over. It's 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key is C major, 4/4 time signature, and I see quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Okay. There's a fermata here or there, whatever, we'll deal with it. Take it one hand at a time. Let's make sure we know what each hand is doing. Right hand, you're starting here, 2 and 4. Now put your hand here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get a bunch of rests. And during the rest, all you're going to do is you're going to stay here, your thumb comes down for those last 2. We're not moving the hand, we're just moving the thumb. Because on the next line, you go right, you do it again like you did already. The first line. And then at the end of that line, it's an E and a G. So the right hand's just here, you're moving the thumb. Left hand, well, they give you a finger number in the 3rd major thumb here. That would put your hand here. So it's 4 and 2 at the beginning, and then here, and then second line, 2nd measure again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what are we doing here? How do I get to C? A couple ways to do it. I can cross over 2. So again, we're crossing over. This business of crossing over the thumb for that happens a lot. So don't shy away from it. And just relax and you can reach it. Don't come across or do anything hard to make. Relax and it'll come. Your thumb will move a little bit if you come and you just reach it. That's fun. If you don't want to cross over the thumb, although I think you should, you need to practice. Here, instead of thumb here, reach up your 2nd finger. And then you're here. You don't have to cross over the thumb. But I would encourage you to go ahead and cross over the thumb here. I'm surprised they didn't give you finger numbers on that. Then put the hands together. Well, starting here and here. And it's here. The left hand. You put the hands together. I've already done it. Then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. And then we'll think about the articulation, which of course they don't give you any except for the phrasing. This is where the title of the piece comes in. Questions and answers. It's like the question is here, and the answer, question, answer. I've been calling it statement reply, where a statement and a reply. We've done this before with phrases. It's like a statement reply, and this could be the same thing, where that's the statement, reply, statement. Why do we think of it this way? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'll tell you. There's a couple reasons. In being able to understand how the music is put together and how it's flowing, it gives you ideas on interpreting it. If you'll think of this as a statement reply, that affects how you interpret it because it affects how you feel it. It's just not no. And here's one phrase, and then here's another phrase. Here, it's a conversation. It's like a thing just keeps going. It's a story. And you'll feel it that way eventually, and you'll play it that way eventually. So it has to do with getting into the music and feeling the music. This is all more advanced stuff, but I'm thinking, why wait? You just well learn it now and be working on it. You don't have to wait until you're advanced to start doing this stuff. Most teachers would not teach this kind of thing at this level. You get into book 5 or 6 or whatever, they might start talking about it a little bit, but I'm doing it now because I'm mean. It's the way it is. Back to the show. Once the articulation is in, then I can think about the dynamics. MF at the beginning, mezzo forte, which is sort of loud, and that's the melody. Here's the right hand, whatever you think that is. This left hand in the second needs to be soft. And then 3rd measure is moderately soft. MP is mezzo piano. That's the melody. Now it's the left hand. Whatever you think sort of soft is, and then the right hand has to be really soft. Because we want the dynamic to apply to the melody, and it's going back and forth, where the statement is moderately loud and the reply is moderately soft. Okay. Could have been the other way around, but this is what they've done. And then the speed, moderato, again, is just in the middle. It's feel it. It's not fast or slow, it's just feel it. To me, I've had some coffee, that's what it is. With some more coffee, it's liable to be a little faster, who knows. Then you think about the interpretation. Well, again, natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, of course, think about the statement reply thing. And the fermata's in the last measure. The left-hand fermata, you're just going to hold that out however long you have to stay with the right hand. The right hand has the smaller value notes, so those are what's going to control what's going on. So it's the half note. Hold that out however long you think it needs to be, and then lift up. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold, and then lift up. I do it with a metronome. I'll double the value of the half note, and I'll hold it 4 counts instead of 2, and then lift up. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. And I'm not going to do the dynamics and play everything about the same because we're just checking notes and rhythms here. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, hold, 2, off.